there, fellow freelancer. Today we are diving deep into the wild world of Upwork, and we got a juicy topic for you: how to handle difficult Upwork clients. If you ever found yourself face to face with a client from the seventh circle of project management hell, stick around because we've got the strategies you need. Number one, the art of the first impression. You just landed on a shiny new client on Upwork and everything's rainbows and butterflies, right? Well, not always. The first step is making that killer first impression. We're going to teach you how to craft a profile that screams, "Hire me." And we're not just talking about a fancy profile photo. We're talking about making your client's jaw drop. Number two, red flags and warning signs. You thought you did your homework, but sometimes clients can be sneaky. We'll reveal the red flags and warning signs to watch out for so you can spot those difficult clients a mile away. No one wants to end up in a project that's gone wrong. Number three, communication is the key. Communication is the glue that holds the project together. We'll show you the communication hack that can transform a nightmare client into a dream collaborator. Trust us, it's all about the magic of words. Number four, setting boundaries and expectations. Ever felt like you're working 24/7 because your client demands it? We'll teach you how to have healthy boundaries and realistic expectations, ensuring that you can actually have a life while delivering top-notch work. Number five, the art of diplomacy. Sometimes diplomacy is your best friend. We'll share the real-world examples of handling even the most challenging clients with grace and professionalism. You'll be a diplomatic maestro in no time. So there you have it, freelancers. How to handle difficult Upwork clients is all about conquering the Upwork jungle. And we've given you the tools to emerge victorious. No more sleepless nights, no more stress-induced hair loss, and definitely no more quitting freelancing. Hit that like button, subscribe, and join us on this epic journey to Upwork mastery.